A big shout out to our sponsors for Quizmaster Control Panel. Silhouette Capture Pro. Achieve flawless photography by using your patient's previous photographs. Now let's get right into our Quizmaster Control Panel. You can click on the Save Quiz app to save it to your download folder, and you can move it there to your desktop if you'd like to access it anytime. So I'm just going to show it to you in my downloads folder. You can see this file over here. When you click it, it opens up the platform. I'm just going to close the duplicate file there. Here you can see the teams panel. You can click on add teams to add any number of teams up to 6. And you can click the remove button to remove them. Next, let's move to the question builder. Click on create a new question and type out your question. Below that, you can type out your answer. You can set the number of points to be awarded for correct answer, and also the number of negative marks for the same question. Click on Upload Question Image File to upload an image for the question. You can attach additional images for your question as well by clicking the same button. Next, we're going to click the Upload Answer Image file to attach an answer image. These two are optional. Click on Add Another Question to go to the next question. You can see that the previous question has been saved. Here you can type out your next question. Click on Add Question and you can see that the question has been added. So click on Close Builder to see a summary of the questions you have built. You can see the name of the question, the correct points, the negative points, the number of question images, the number of answer images. You can click on Edit to change any of these features. So you can see that we have updated the negative marks and it's visible in our builder. So here you see that you have 2 questions ready. You can click on Add a new question again to create further questions. I'm just going to speed it up by copy pasting from my Word file. Now you're going to see an interesting feature of this app. It equally distributes the questions among the teams into rounds. Since there are 4 questions and 4 teams, there is a single round. Here I'm adding the name of the round and any description for it. Now you can see that if I add another question, it automatically pushes it to the next round. Here I'm adding the round name for the second round. You can also add icons to the round name. Now I'm just going to complete the questions in this round so that each team has an equal number of questions. Okay, we're done. You can see that there are now 2 rounds with 4 questions in each round. So I'm going to click on Enable Timer and I can set a timer for each question that's available. I'm going to click the Start Rapid Fire Builder to build the rapid fire set of questions. Here I'm setting the amount of time each team gets to answer the questions and the number of points for each correct answer. Click on Add Question in each team and you can type out the question for each team in the rapid fire. I'm adding the question and I'm adding the answer for it. Click on Add Question to add another question. I'm just going to speed this up to create 3 rapid fire questions for each team. Once you're ready, you can go back up and have a view at the questions. Click on the Close Builder to view all the questions that you have in your main round. Next is the important part. Click on Save Question to save a JSON file. You can use this file to load your questions anytime. So I'm just going to close my quiz platform and reopen it. You can scroll down and select the quiz file option. Here you can select the JSON file to automatically load the questions that you had previously created. You can see that both the quiz questions and the rapid fire questions have been loaded. Now let's start the quiz. You can see that it's showing the round name and description. Here are the names of the teams and the points for each, and the lifelines available for each. Below is the round number, the question cycle from 1, 2, 3, 4, and here you have the instructions, the correct on first try, pass, and negative. So let's click reveal the question to see the question here. You have your timer below. Suppose the team gets the question wrong, click on the wrong button. This subtracts the negative marks and moves on to the next team. You click on reveal question to reveal the question to the second team. You can click skip question if they wish to pass the question. You can see that it moves to the next team without deducting marks. Let's suppose the third team answers correctly. Click on show answer to reveal the answer. You can see here that since it's a pass question, it only gives half of the points. Click on the correct and next question to add the points to the team. The second question begins from team 2 and then goes to 3, 4, and 1. Click on reveal question to show the question. In this scenario, we are going to wait for the timer to run out. You can see the timer is running down. The current team is team 2. Once it runs out, it automatically goes to the next team, team 3. So team 3 in this case has the timer running and they're going to use their lifelines. Click on reset timer lifeline to reset the timer back. You can see that each lifeline can be used once. Now, the team clicks the audience poll lifeline to ask the audience. This pauses the timer and can be resumed by the quizmaster. You can click on the retry lifeline in case the team wishes to retry their answer. You can see that team 3 has used all of their lifelines. Now it passes to team 4 and they answer the pass question correctly. So they get half of the current points. You can see the next question starts with team 3. Click on reveal question to show the question. In case they get it correct on the first try itself, they get the full 10 points. Now we're moving on to the next question of the round. Click on reveal the question. In this scenario, we're going to assume that all the teams get the answer wrongly. So this is the last team to answer the question, but they get it wrong. You then get a prompt that all teams attempted the question and no one answered correctly. The question may be asked to audience for entertainment. You can click on move to next question, but no points will be awarded. So let's start the next round. Here, I'm just going to go quickly through the questions. Notice how in the second round the question started from team 2, went to team 3, team 4, and finally back to team 1. So each new round starts with the subsequent team with the first question. Once the main questions are done, the rapid fire automatically fires up. You can click on start rapid fire and you can see the timer is ticking down for the rapid fire. You can click on the next question to show the next question in the rapid fire round and the previous question to go to the previous one. The timer keeps ticking down. And once you're done, click on show all answers to show the question and the answers, and you can select the number of correct answers answered correctly. Click on submit and continue. The next team, we're going to wait for the timer to run down. When time runs out, the scoring opens. I'm just going to run through the rapid fire for the other teams. And voila, you have your final result score. Thank you, happy quizzing, and check out our sponsors app.